Special Agent Luke Hobbs of the U.S. Diplomatic Security Service. And as of 16.9 seconds ago, I'm the manager.
The hell you are?
Let me clue you in on two things, sweet cheeks. One, there's a high-value witness from the Federal Protection Program aboard your vehicle. And two, an international crime syndicate led by Owen Shaw is honing in on this vehicle to take that witness out. Shaw's as ruthless as they come. He'll stop at nothing to eliminate his target. Every living soul on this vehicle is in serious danger. Other than that, do it right.
All right, folks, you heard the man. We don't want to win the show on our tail. We moved to a safe location and hide out in the homes to get back on our tram. This is Sullivan's truck repair, otherwise known as Sully's Garage. We've been put on the VIP list of Roman Pierce party, ladies and gentlemen. I've been trying to get into one of Roman's parties for a couple of years now. We don't really do it.
FBI, on the ground.
Them?
On the ground, do it now.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
On the ground, right now!
Ladies, just back up a little bit. Got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of tonight.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on vibrate.
Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Oh, we're moving all right.
It's about to get real interesting. My Mona Lisa's all warmed up right next door.
Roman, grab your truck. I need you and Letty ready to roll.
All right, folks, stay low, stay seated, stay alert. We'll get through this. So you better put on those 3D glasses again for protection.
This is our turn.
After that!
Okay, guys, it's showtime. This thing is moving fast enough. Roman, Letty, hook him up.
I got the bull by the horn!
Now we're moving.
Dad, look out!
I got company! The witness is mine, Letty!
How about you eat asphalt?
Don't think you're getting away! Find the drones!
Way to go, Letty.
Drones lining up the missile shot!
Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got this.
Robert, don't shoot!
Head for the bridge.
Under construction! Everybody hold on!
Hit the nitrous.